Snoop, I didn't mean to snoop around your office, but I couldn't help but eavesdrop when I heard my name mentioned. Snoop, I didn't mean to snoop around your office, but I couldn't help but eavesdrop when I heard my name mentioned. Eavesdrop. She tried to eavesdrop on the secret meeting, but the security guard managed to catch her red-handed. Eavesdrop. She tried to eavesdrop on the secret meeting, but the security guard managed to catch her red-handed. Catch red-handed. After I managed to catch him red-handed stealing cookies, he promised not to blab about my own secrets. Catch red-handed. After I managed to catch him red-handed stealing cookies, he promised not to blab about my own secrets. Blab. Don't you dare blab to anyone, she managed to hiss through her teeth before the guests entered. Blab. Don't you dare blab to anyone, she managed to hiss through her teeth before the guests entered. Hiss. The exhausted nanny had to hiss at the spoiled brat to make him sit still for just 1 minute. Hiss. The exhausted nanny had to hiss at the spoiled brat to make him sit still for just 1 minute. Brat. The little brat started crying because he wasn't allowed to feed the seal at the local zoo. Brat. The little brat started crying because he wasn't allowed to feed the seal at the local zoo. Seal. While waiting for the boat, we saw a seal resting on a rock near an old lonely lime tree by the shore. Seal. While waiting for the boat, we saw a seal resting on a rock near an old lonely lime tree by the shore. Lime tree. The sudden storm managed to bereave the old garden of its most beautiful lime tree. Lime tree. The sudden storm managed to bereave the old garden of its most beautiful lime tree. Bereave. The severe lack of precipitation threatened to bereave the local farmers of their entire harvest. Bereave. The severe lack of precipitation threatened to bereave the local farmers of their entire harvest. Precipitation. Because of the heavy precipitation, I had to stay inside and fight the urge to snoop through the old attic boxes. Precipitation. Because of the heavy precipitation, I had to stay inside and fight the urge to snoop through the old attic boxes.